this is the sound now. Today we are going to be reviewing this cheap wireless microphone, so stay tuned. Now, in terms of pricing, this microphone, you can get it from a range of about $10 to $20. So I'm sure even on Amazon, here in Zimbabwe, you can get it around that range. But even on Amazon, I'm sure you can get something for the same kind of price. So we just want to unbox it and test the sound. So basically, if I open this box, as you can see there, right? You see it has two microphones, then also the cable for the charger there. I think these mics are charged. Then, it has this foam which also reduces noise, this one. So I also have one which is connected to the cable, like which you connect to your laptop with a cable. So it kind of uses the same kind of, it's just the same in terms of size and how it looks. But basically these are wireless, so you can kind of walk around and do what you can with that. So let's just see. So we have this microphone, right? You can see that microphone there, if you can see, right? Okay, so that's the microphone. If we remove this foam, you see there, that's the mic, right? So we can put it back. And then it has two of them, so obviously these are the two, right? Two mics. Then it's a clip-on, so you can clip it to your kind of shirt if you want, like this. Some people review it and say you have to clip it on underneath, we'll discuss about that. Then also it has this on the side there. It has this port where you can charge, so it uses battery obviously. Then it has this power button there. Sure you can see there, right? So you can see that power button there. So that power button is the one that switches them on. So if I long press, you see it will start flashing. If it's flashing like this, it hasn't connected yet. If it's connected to the phone, then it will just stay green. But I'll show you in a moment. So let's long press off. Okay, so this one is the piece which you connect to the to your phone. So this one is an iPhone connector. You can see that's a iPhone connection right there, right? So this is an iPhone connector, but most of them come with even with the C type connection. Some even come with a laptop connection as well. Then in the box we have the charger, then the manual. Okay. So the charger, basically it's a charger is a C type charger. So just this C type, right? Okay, so now it's time to test the sound. Right now I'm just using my phone straight from like the straight connection from my phone. I'm going to connect there. So it's not flashing red now because it's connected, right? So basically this is the sound, and I'm sure there will be an improvement. I can't sort of judge now because it's a live review, so I can't really hear the sound or hear how good the improvement is. But I'm sure I will rewatch it. And this is just an indoors test, but we'll go outside. So this is an outside test. This is just the natural iPhone audio, right? But with the iPhone audio, obviously it's affected by the environment and the surroundings. So obviously if there's too much wind or anything, it will obviously change. Then if I step back, obviously the sound will kind of drown away and you won't hear much from that. So this is kind of the experience that you have, especially when you're just using the iPhone audio, right? But let's connect our microphone. It's connected right there. So obviously this is the sound now, and the more you step back, it will probably be the same, and they have the same quality even if you go way back. So obviously it has a kind of radius or distance where it can capture because it's wireless. However, the quality does not degrade based on any distance or any kind of effect in the environment. But obviously it might change, especially if it's too windy or maybe it's raining or something like that. However, this is the sound that it has in the outside environment. So yes, this is the wireless microphone. I saw a great improvement in general when we're outside. It really filters the noise out. There will be noise, but it's nothing that you can't correct afterwards with editing software on your audio. However, I think in basic terms, I think there's a great improvement in the audio quality. When you're indoors, it's kind of the same. However, because indoors there's naturally sound reduction based on the fact that you are indoors and there are walls and stuff. Obviously, I think that plays a part. However, you can really hear the quality increase when you switch on this mic and when you use this mic. So you can use it for vlogs, interviews, live shows, but however you can use it basically in any sort of respect, even in content creation. Then this is for iPhone, but it comes with different types of connectors as well. So you might find a package which is C-type, you might find one which with a classic charger or an iPhone or even a computer connector. Then it's plug and play. You just plug it as you were seeing in the video and you play, right? Then there's 20 meters of reception, acceptable reception. We hadn't tested that because it wasn't quite the same distance. However, I think 20 meters is a reasonable distance. Then also precise radio. There's a clear timbre, highly sensitive. I think we saw that, very highly sensitive. If you just move it quite a bit, or if you just make some slight movements, you can hear the sound in the microphone, which might lead to, you know, the conclusion that you have to kind of pin it to your shirt for you to avoid those kinds of movements and just restrict the sound. So yeah, it's very highly sensitive. It captures any sort of noise or movement on the side. Then it's compatible as well with many different kinds of appliances or smartphones. Tell me what you think in the comments down below, if you like it and if you are using it, and what's your experience when you're using it. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.